Let's talk about the block action.
Well, now we'll focus more on numbers. So I'll talk about some large blocks which have happened and which have taken place, and we'll ask you about your views as well. So last 10 days or maybe 12 days, there has been block deals worth 17,000 crores. So nearly $2 billion is what we've already seen. The promoters, of PE, encashing in this pullback. So to start with, today itself we saw a large block in Bharti Airtel. Singtel sold a little over 1% stake for 13,000 crores. So that was a large block which happened today itself on Friday. Even JSW, there was a large block where the promoter rented it through the trust. They sold 2% stake and they raised close to 1,200 crores. The other big notable deal was Paytm, where Ant Financial sold 4% stake. They own 10%, they've sold 4%. So still some left, but that again was a very large block deal. The other large interesting deal was K Fintech. They came out with solid set of numbers, but then General Atlantic came and sold 10% stake in one single day, and they've raised close to 1,700 crores there as well. So quite a bit of large deals which have already happened. But when I talk to some large funds or for that matter the investment bankers, it seems like the pipeline is quite strong for the next 2-3 weeks. As in when the earnings season gets over and there is an opening the window, there's going to be large blocks. I'll just run through a few names which I have heard of where there could be large potential deals. To start with, Asian Paints, the strategic investor is likely to sell a large stake. Then it's going to be a large block as well. Some of the names where private equity will keep selling stake. Zomato is one, Swiggy is the other name. Keynes Technologies yesterday reported very strong set of numbers, but again, there the expectation is that it could be a decent sized block. Aptus Wealth, again, a private equity sitting there. They're going to sell one-fifth of their stake. Ami Organics, OneSource, and Apollo Tyres also could be an interesting name there. Again, came out with decent set of numbers. The commentary was strong, but again, there is a private equity who owns 10%, and there is a strong buzz that they'll sell half of their stake as well. So again, that's going to be quite a sizable number that's going to come out. Apart from the block deals, Surbhi, the other interesting kind of observation has been the kind of MNCs which are looking to exit or sell out their stakes. This week, like Thursday, Friday, we had a large OFS. In terms of size, it's a large one. Vent is looking to sell its entire 37.5% stake in the Indian company. So that's while in size it was only 500 crores, but they're selling their entire 37.5% stake. So that's one big exit. Next week, by 20th, there is Whirlpool's board meet for results. And we all know that the parent has gone on record saying that they're looking to sell 30% of their stake in India. So the MNC is selling out, P is selling out, promoters looking to exit in some form. So looks like, now that we are fag into the earnings season, this is only going to pick up and there's going to be more momentum in terms of large blocks and large supply. So Gautam, how do you read,